My name is Phil, founder of Aerosoff, a drone solutions company that just took off. Here to tell you about the service that we offer and a snapshot of what we'll be covering in future videos. First, the snapshot. We will be making videos demonstrating different software for automated flights, processing, and data extraction as well, demonstrating how to fly different environments safely and legally with your Part 107 license, and give some great info on how to leverage different drones and software. We offer a range of services at Aerosoff, including aerial photography, aerial inspections in many industries such as communications towers, roofing, structures, and even land inspections for various purposes. We offer services in construction such as progress updates, pile volume calculations for dirt and mulch and whatever else really. And we offer services in agriculture, which is huge here in the Southeast, showing insights for plant health, drainage, fertilizer opportunities, and this is for folks who already have their fields going or are just starting out. We'll soon be doing land surveying data captures for licensed surveyors and contractors using LiDAR, and we're also soon to incorporate thermal imaging into our services as well. Follow along for informal videos coming at you soon. Our website is there in the description. Thanks for watching.